Welcome back to Mahagurus. In this video, we will learn how you can delete the browsing history from your Safari browser. So for that, first we'll go to Safari browser and we will click on this history option. After that, you have to click on show history, or you can just click on clear history. After you click on clear history, you'll have to select the time, the duration which you want to delete. Or if you want to see the history and then you have to delete it, then you can click on history, click on show all history, and you can see all the history over here, and you can see the browsing history by just clicking on these small arrows. Similarly, you can select the particular time duration, like click on clear history, and then you can select today or yesterday and all history. Just for example, I'm going to click on today and click on clear history. As you can see, your history of today is no more. Thanks for watching this video. If you really like this video, make sure you have subscribed to the channel and press the bell icon. And shortly we're coming up with more and more content, so stay tuned. Thank you.